Welcome to today's video on how to turn your idea into a business in India in 2023. We will walk you through the process step by step, highlighting the real experiences of successful Indian entrepreneurs. The first step is idea generation. Think about a problem you want to solve. Did you know that in India, over 50% of the population doesn't have access to clean drinking water? This is where your idea can make a difference. Once you have your idea, it's time for market research. Understand your target audience. Listen to their needs and preferences. Successful entrepreneurs like Ramesh from Mumbai started a water filtration business after researching the local demand. Now, create a detailed business plan. This should outline your goals, budget, and a clear roadmap. Swati from Delhi, who runs a successful online clothing store, advises, a well-structured business plan is your foundation for success. Pro tip: don't forget to calculate your break-even point. It's crucial to know when your business will start making a profit. Next, take care of legalities. Register your business, obtain licenses, and comply with taxation regulations. This step is often a pain point, but it's essential for a smooth journey. Now, let's talk funding. You can use your savings, seek investments, or explore government schemes and grants. Amar, a successful tech entrepreneur, shared, I started my app development company with a small loan, and it grew from there. Once you are set up, focus on branding and marketing. Build a strong online presence and leverage social media. Meera, who owns a popular cafe, says, Instagram and word-of-mouth marketing were game-changers for me. Pro tip: use analytics to track your marketing efforts. This will help you refine your strategies for better results. As your business grows, be prepared to adapt. Scaling can be challenging, but entrepreneurs like Anil, who expanded his logistics company nationwide, emphasize the importance of staying flexible. Now, it's your turn. Start your journey towards entrepreneurship in India today. Remember, it won't be easy, but the impact can be enormous. Follow these steps and keep learning. For more in-depth knowledge, check out these resources. Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, EDII, offers courses and guidance on entrepreneurship. Startup India, a government initiative supporting startups with funding, mentorship, and resources. Your Story, an online platform with inspiring stories of Indian entrepreneurs. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been informative. Turn your idea into a thriving business and make a difference in India in 2023. Good luck.